All right, guys, if you remember a while back, me and my son started a go-kart build. With all the modification I had to do to that old go-kart frame, which it was off-center seating, it was passenger side steer, he kind of outgrew the frame. So it was a hard time for him fitting in there. And I didn't see no point in me cutting all that up when I could just find another frame. So we found another frame, but it came with a way cooler body than what we had. So I'll show you the body later on. In some of my videos you might have seen the body, but I'll show you the frame right now. We've been cutting and hacking and getting all the old stuff off and bending the stuff that they've been on from wrecking it. He's inside right now doing school stuff, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you. This is what we got. It's an adult frame. He's got all kinds of room. It's already center steer. We got this piece bent back. It was bent. This shaft here was bent to the passenger side a little bit. We got the axles ground down a little bit. We still got, if you can see, this one's bent a hair. We'll straighten it out in a little bit. But now we're gonna go through, get rid of all this leg and this hole they cut in the frame on accident. Get all this welded up, that welded up. And then he's gonna paintbrush all this after we figure out what we gotta add here and up for the body to mount to, like on the back. But you know, he's gonna wire wheel all this and he's gonna paintbrush it with Rust-Oleum black. And then we're robbing off the old go-kart that we had. We got the sprocket and brake drum off the old one. It fits on that hub fine. That's the old tire. We're gonna get this all done. So we got to build him a seat with some wood and cloth, staple gun. But the floor only came to like right here. So we're gonna cut this bracket out for the seat. And I'll run a piece of diamond plate from the front all the way back to about maybe right in here. And weld it to the bottom. Give it a little bit more strength between these two rails. And it'll look cooler once he wire wheels it and paints it black. And nothing will be coming up under it and going right through your hoo-hoo. But we're gonna get the frame completely done first. While he's doing school stuff, I'm gonna go ahead and grind down all these big nasty welds for him and then I'm gonna have him weld it up. Look through there, tell me you can see the light.
Yeah.
Alright. We turn the air compressor off. Alright. What we're going to do here, you grab the drill. You're going to drill a hole. We're going to drill a bunch of holes. But do you want to tell the camera what we're doing?
You like that. This drill?
No, up there. Alright guys, on this go-kart, some holes here on both sides of the frame. And I got some old steering shaft pipe that we got, real thick pipe. We're going to jam it all the way up into here. We're going to do a hole here, here, and maybe on top, plus drill out that hole that's already there. And we're going to plug weld this inside the pipe here to make it stronger and so we can cover up that hole. So it'll last a while. So that's what we're doing. We've got some other pipe here that we got to cut down and notch. We're on each side of the steering so it don't bend again. And that's all the welding. And little man here will be brush painting all this. Probably use this to shut it in. Tell me when it's up there. Camera's about to die. Let me get this shut off. As you can see, we got this one in up to our drill holes and where the hole was. That one's a little stuck now.
Well, not.
Go figure.
Wait.
You need to be right here. And just hold the trigger down and just slow motion. Not clear out here. Right there. Okay? Do the other one. Knock that wire and stuff off. You coming to hit you?
Yeah.
You'll be alright, it'll make you strong. I had a welder burn me just a minute ago and it's fine.
Wait.
Run her down smooth so we can hit her and get some heat in it. Now you gotta do the other side. Alright, Parker's gonna show what we've done. Show them the braces for the steering.
We put braces on there so the steering wouldn't bend. And then we put tube through the back so it wouldn't bend either.
Yeah, we had some broken spots here. And we drove some DOM tubing all the way up in to here. And we spot welded it in with the brake. And we left some tube all the way through here too and welded the tips on both sides. And then we welded these back washers so they'd quit moving. But other than that, I mean, besides my shitty welds, we still got to build a bumper, kind of like needs to come out with some tubing on it like the back, so the body will fit. What do you say?
Make sure to like and subscribe.
Well, we're back on my son's go-kart, and wanted to surprise him a little bit because he is at football conditioning that started today. And I figured I'd go ahead and get this front bumper portion lined out. So we notched these two pipe. They're square in here. And we're going to cut the threads off this. This is the only pipe I can find. It's a pretty strong pipe. And I was going to notch these pipes too, but we might change this up eventually. So I'm going to cut the threads off and we're just going to weld this right there. The body could tie to it, I guess. But we got to make a piece that comes up here for the front of the body. Now, here's the body. But it has holes here, and I say that it used to bolt here. But what we're going to do is make that pipe for the body to set on right in this area, and we're actually going to put hood pins in the front like a NASCAR. Then on the back we're going to do the same thing. Let me get this welder off. I got a bunch of stuff tacked in and built for him. Got the body setting on there. He just got back from practice and he loves it. But guys, this is more his project than mine. So I'm gonna call it quits right there. Just wanted the front to be pretty strong just in case. But I'll go ahead and take the body off and show you. So, as you can see on the back, this is factory. Except for the holes they had don't line up. So, but this is still bent also. I never fixed this yet. So we still gotta fix that. And then we built this whole front half from here up. Now, yeah, it might look weird on camera, but this frame tapers down on each side, so I kind of followed the taper, and then we angled it up about 2 degrees. So, but this is really thick wall pipe here. Same size as the other, and it's probably almost the same thickness. But all right, guys, I got Parker out here to show you what he thinks, and he's got a question for all of y'all. So here's the little man.
So I like what we've been doing and what Dad's been doing, but we are stuck if we should leave it or paint it. So can you guys put your guesses or your answers in the comment what we should do or if we should keep it?
Yeah, guys, just comment below if we should just redo it as Lightning McQueen or do something different. Now, this is a Chevy aluminum body, so we could do anything NASCAR. Or should we leave it Lightning McQueen to match Mater over there, or Tater? We can haul it in the back of it.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
And comment below about what you guys think we should do. Peace.
And watch this wheelie.
Gerber.